Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. The first thing I want to say is Happy New Year to everyone, and I hope everyone has a great 2019. Today's video is not a recipe, but it's something that I had to show you my son did, which I thought was super funny, and I had to get this on film. My son wanted to make something sweet last night, so he mixed up some cake batter, and I gave him this mold, and I specifically said don't fill the mold too high, otherwise it's going to overflow or something, not great is going to happen. And so what did he do? He did exactly what I said not to do, and he filled them right to the top. And what he ended up with was cupcakes. And look at that. I'll just tilt that up so you can see how high those are. Anyway, I thought that was really funny. So he said, look Dad, I've made cupcakes. And actually what this is a mini Bundt pan. This is a Wilton Bundt pan, by the way. Really nice one. So here we have a super good looking Bundt cake on the bottom and a cupcake on the top. Anyway, I needed to show you this. I thought it was too funny not to film, so there we have it. Sometimes the little mistakes turn into really great successes, and there you go. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you got a little smile on your face and maybe you laughed a little bit like I did. I just want to end off the video by saying thank you very much for those who have been following me over the years. I really do appreciate it. So that's it, and I'll see you next time.